Now we learn fractions of 5th standard subject maths. We take revision of 4th standard. We learn fractions in 4th standard. Here is a picture of a bread. A bread is divided into 4 equal parts. Means it is written as 4 upon 4 means 1. The next picture is triangle. Triangle is divided into 4 equal parts, but 2 parts are colored. These 2 parts is shown as 2 upon 4. 4 upon 4 means whole, 1. Here again a square is divided into 4 parts and 2 parts are colored. These 2 parts is shown as 2 upon 4. 2 is numerator and 4 is denominator. What is half? Here is a pizza. If we have a pizza and we divide it into 2 parts for sharing, so we divide it equal 2 parts. These equal 2 parts, the part of one part is called half of the pizza. Half is shown as 1 upon 2. Here the next figure is circle. Circle is divided into 2 parts. So one part is half, 1 upon 2. Square is divided into 4 parts. The 2 parts are colored with pink color. These 2 parts is shown as 2 upon 4. 2 upon 4 means also half. The rectangle is divided into 4 equal parts. The 2 parts are colored, so it is shown as 2 upon 4. Now we learn equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions means having equal value. Half and 2 upon 4 are equivalent fraction because both are known as half. The figure 1 circle is divided into 2 parts and one part is shown as 1 upon 2 and the square is divided into 4 parts, the 4 equal parts, and the 2 parts are shown as 2 upon 4. These both fractions are equal value. So this fraction is called equivalent fractions. The next figure, you see the circle is divided into 4 parts. 4 equal parts and 3 parts are colored. Next figure, circle is divided into 8 parts and 6 parts are colored. If we see carefully, the 3 parts, colored parts, are again divided into 2 parts. The 3 colored parts are divided into 2 parts. So, we get the fraction 6 upon 8 by dividing again 3 upon 4 and 6 upon 8 are equivalent fraction. If we see the figure carefully, you know the change. The next figure, the figure is divided, circle is divided into 3 parts and 2 parts are colored. Again these 3 parts, each part is divided into 3 parts. So the total parts become 9 parts. The 2 parts colored become 6 parts. So 2 upon 3 and 6 upon 9 are equivalent fractions. How to obtain equivalent fraction? See the figure of rectangle. The rectangle is divided into 4 parts and 2 parts are colored. It is shown as 2 upon 4. The next figure, same rectangle, is divided into 8 parts by drawing a line to equal it. To divide it equal to 8 parts. So the first figure is 2 shown as 2 upon 4 colored parts, and the next figure is color parts 4 upon 8. If you see the picture carefully, you know the difference and say you know the difference in that pictures by drawing a line. The colored parts became 4 parts, but the figure is same. So 2 upon 4 and 4 upon 8 are equivalent fraction. How to obtain equivalent fraction? By multiplying the same number and by dividing the same number to its numerator and denominator, we get equivalent fraction. Here is an example, 6 upon 15. How to get equivalent fraction of 6 upon 15? For getting equivalent fraction, we multiply 6 by 2 and 15 by 2, the same number. We get 12 upon 30. 12 upon 30 is equivalent fraction to 6 upon 15. We take same example, 6 upon 15. To get equivalent fraction, we divided 6 by 3 and 15 by 3, the same number. So we get 2 upon 5. Means 12 upon 30, 2 upon 5 are equivalent fractions, and also 6 upon 15 are equivalent fraction. Like fractions. Like fractions means the fractions having same denominator are called like fractions. Here is an example: 2 upon 5, 8 upon 5, 12 upon 5, 7 upon 5. These fractions having denominator 5, the same number, so these fractions called like fractions. The next example: 12 upon 18, 5 upon 18, 14 upon 18, 10 upon 18. These fractions having same number, so we called these fractions like fractions. Unlike fractions, if their denominator is not same, these fractions we called unlike fractions. 1 upon 2, 2 upon 9, 5 upon 3, 10 upon 14. In these fractions, the first fraction denominator is 2, second one 9, third one 3, fourth one 14. The denominator is not same, so these fractions are unlike fractions. 1 upon 3, 4 upon 8, 9 upon 11, 4 upon 5. The denominator is 3, 8, 11, 5. So these are not same. So these are unlike fractions. Convert unlike fraction into like fraction. We take an example. Convert 5 upon 6 and 7 upon 9 into like fractions. To convert unlike fraction into like fraction, first step is find a common multiple for the numbers denominator. Here denominator is 6 and 9. So we find multiples of 6 and multiples of 9. Multiples of 6 is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. And multiples of 9, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. Here 18 is a common multiple of 6 and 9. So, to convert unlike fraction into like fraction, we get the denominator 18. For getting denominator 18, we multiplied 6 by 3. The denominator multiplied by 3. So, the numerator 5 is multiplied by 3 and we get the fraction 15 upon 18. 7 upon 9. The 9 is denominator. For getting 18 denominator, we multiplied 9 by 2. So, we multiplied the numerator 7 by 2 and we get 14 upon 18. 15 upon 18 and 14 upon 18, the both fractions having same denominator, So these are like fractions. These are like fractions. And 15 upon 18 and 14 upon 18 are respectively equivalent to 5 upon 6 and 7 upon 9. Here we take another example. Find equivalent fraction with denominator 18 for each. 1 upon 2. To convert 1 upon 2, denominator is 2 into 18. We multiplied 2 by 9. So, we multiplied the same number numerator 1. We multiplied by same number to its numerator 1. So we get the fraction 9 upon 18. The next example is 5 upon 3 and we convert the denominator 3 into 18. For converting the denominator into 18, we multiplied 3 by 6. So, we multiplied the numerator of that fraction by 6. So, we get 30 upon 18. Now we see compare like fraction. You see the figure 1. Figure 1 is divided into 4 equal parts and also figure 2 is divided into 4 equal parts. In figure 1, 2 parts are colored and in figure 2, 3 parts are colored. Comparing to these figures, colored parts, which color parts are having more space? The 3 parts. So, first figure is written as 2 upon 4 and second figure is written as 3 upon 4, and we know that the color parts 3 is bigger, so the fraction when the denominator is same, 2 upon 4 and 3 upon 4, in this fraction comparison 3 upon 4 is greater fraction. Here two same figure, but first figure is divided into 5 parts and 2 parts are colored. It is written as 2 upon 5. The second figure is divided into 3 parts and 2 parts are colored. Here 2 is numerator, 2 numerator is same. When same numerator, we compare the figure, you see the figure which divided into greater number, the figure it is become smaller fraction. So 2 upon 5 and 2 upon 3, the 2 upon 3 is greatest fraction in comparison. How to compare unlike fractions? For comparing unlike fraction, We took an example 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 7. Denominator is not same. So, we find common multiple of both fractions denominator. The first fraction denominator is 5 and second fraction denominator is 7. So the common multiple of 5 and 7 is 35. For getting 35, the first fraction multiplied by 7. So we get 21 upon 35. For getting denominator 35, second fraction multiplied by 5, so we get fraction 20 upon 35. 21 upon 35, 20 upon 35. With the same denominator, we compare the which numerator is greater, the fraction is greater. When the denominator is same, we compare the numerator. Which numerator is greater, the fraction is greater. So, 21 upon 35 is greater than 20 upon 35. So, 3 upon 5 is greater than 4 upon 7. Thank you for watching my video.